In this video, I'll detail how to enable Talk to Siri on iPhone on iOS 18. So with the new iOS 18 comes a new feature in the Siri settings called Talk to Siri. And here, basically, I'm going to show you how to turn this on. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So with this voice command, you can easily control your phone using your voice command when the Siri is set up. You can just say, "Hey Siri, lock my iPhone." So that is the function of the Siri. You can use this to ask Siri any question. "Hey Siri. Hey Siri. What's the weather about?"
I don't seem to be able to get your current location.
Okay, what's the time?
It's 11:46.
So, yeah, let's go ahead now and see how to enable Talk to Siri. So if you don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Just go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down, then select Siri. Once you selected that, just scroll down, then locate Listen for Siri and click on that. Now once you click on Listen for Siri, you should see Talk to Siri. Go ahead and tap that. Then that's going to enable Talk to Siri on your iPhone on iOS 18. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.